everyone, I'm Chandan and welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 3 of the Delhi Sultanate class ICSE 9th history. So beginning with the Ghiyasuddin Balban 1266 to 1287 and Albari Turk. Balban's original name was Bahuddin. He became a slave of Iltutmish and soon belonged the group of forty. As we know, we were containing the slave dynasty. Turkish slave of Iltutmish. He was as Iltutmish was a slave of Qutbuddin Aybak, and Qutbuddin Aybak was a slave of Muhammad Ghori. Okay, please you write someone that so that you can easily remember it. He was the greatest slave ruler. Ghiyasuddin Balban was the greatest slave ruler. On the death of his son-in-law Sultan Nasiruddin Balban declared himself as the new sultan. Soon he was surrounded with difficulties. The prestige of the state had sunk. The royal treasury had become empty. The menace of the Turkish fortress has increased. Mongol raids were harming the security of the fortress. The Rajput robbers and the governor of the Bengal became a threat of the Sultanate. Balban rose to the occasion. Main features of Balban's region for army. First, Balban recognized his army. He appointed a minister in charge of the army. Balban personally took interest in the recruitment, salaries, and equipment. Strict discipline was enforced. The army was efficient. Okay. This is the steps that he took so that he became the greatest ruler of the slave dynasty. It's thundering. The Meutis. With the help of his strong and efficient army, Balban proceed to the Dyub. Here, the Meuti Rajputs and other bands carried out raids. Property and commerce became unfair. The government official could not collect revenue. Balban punished the robbers' bands heavily. He set up military posts in the area. He ordered the killing of all adults, male villagers in the area. Women and children were made slaves. So जितने भी male villagers होते हैं, he killed them, and जो भी बच्चे और जो भी औरतें थे उनको slaves बना दिया गया. The Mongol invention. The Mongol raids became the very frequent. मतलब वो बहुत ज़्यादा वो आने लगे, उनके raids बहुत ज़्यादा पड़ने लगे. He decided to rush the conquerors wars territory, allowed safe passage through the Mongols. However, he failed to control Khokras permanently or win their friendship. Balban adopted other measures to defeat his territories in northwest and west. He maintained forts. A large number of troops with proper equipments were posted. Bengal revolt and conquest. The old age of Balban and the Mongol raids encouraged the governor of Bengal, Tughril Khan, to revolt. Tughril Khan was chased, captured, and killed. Balban delivered terrible punishment upon his relatives and followers to discourage future revolts. The fortry. Himself a member of fortry, Balban knew their activities, how they controlled a sultan. Balban promoted junior Turks to equal position with them. Any of the fortry found guilty of any officer flogged publicly or put to death. So जो भी faulty declare हुई, if he suspected them to be fraud or something, they used to kill them. स्पाई सिस्टम. बलबन ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड एफिशिएंट स्पाई. तो आजकल भी स्पाई बहुत ट्रेंड में, नहीं उस समय से बलबन कर रहा है. दे हैड स्पाइज. सीक्रेट न्यूज़ राइटर्स वेर पोस्टेड इन एवरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट एंड प्रोविंस. दे वर इंडिपेंडेंट एंड बियॉन्ड द कंट्रोल ऑफ गवर्नर्स एंड कमांडर्स. जो गवर्नर और कमांडर्स होते हैं उनके सिस्टम के अंदर नहीं आते स्पाई. दे कैन डू वॉट एवर दे वॉन्ट. दे कैन राइट. आइडिया ऑफ किंगशिप. बलबन raised the position of the sultan to the level of God's shadow. He believed in despotism, saying only a despot could get obedience from his people, ensure his safety and security of the state. He claimed a mythical Turkish hero to his ancestor. He gave a fine and merrymaking, introduced two Persian customs, lying flat and pibos, kissing the ruler's feet as a normal form of showing respect to the sultan. He introduced the system of Neuros to add the dignity of his court. The sultan refused to talk to common people or be in touch with them. He believed dignity and prestige was necessary to instill among the people, so he decided not to be around common people because they could bring down his dignity and prestige, which is horrible. He removed those persons from high ranks who were not noble birth. So this is now casteism also. He removed all the people from high posts who were not like born from noble family or humble families or rich families. Decline of slave dynasty, the death of his son Prince Muhammad at the hands of the Mughals was a great shock for Balban. So अब बात करेंगे कि स्लेव डायनेस्टी का डिक्लाइन कैसे होने लगा। जब बलबन के बेटे को प्रिंस मोहम्मद को मंगोल्स ने मार दिया तो बलबन को बहुत बड़ा शौक लगा। ही डाइड सून आफ्टर, जैसे उसके बेटे को मार दिया गया उसको बहुत बड़ा शौक लगा। तो 1286 में ही ऑल्सो डाइड। ही अपॉइंटेड हिज ग्रैंडसन खाई खुरक्सू एज हिज सक्सेसर, बिकम हिज अदर सन बुगरा खान वॉज केयर्ड ऑफ बलबन स्ट्रिक्ट नेचर। जो उसके बेटे थे जो डेथ हो गई ना उसके बाद वाले बुगरा खान, वो उनसे बहुत मतलब बल्ब अपने पापा से बहुत डरते थे क्योंकि वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रिक्ट थे। एंड टुक शेल्टर, और वो टुक शेल्टर इन बंगाल। हाउएवर बलबन सक्सेसर बिकेम हिज सन। Yeah, now Khilji dynasty. So we'll make a part 4 of Khilji dynasty because it's a very long video. So like it's a very long chapter, and if I continue it will be very long because Khilji dynasty is also very long. So please like, share and comment for part 4. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.